Hazrat Huzaifa bin Yaman radiyallahu anhu states that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we were enmeshed in evil. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu brought this good to us. Will there be any evil after this good? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Yes. I submitted, will there be good in the wake of this evil? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Yes. I submitted, how will it happen? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, After me there will be such chiefs as will neither act upon my guidance nor follow my sunnah. Soon they will include the people whose hearts will be like those of Satans and bodies like those of human beings. The reporter says that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what should I do if I find them? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, You must listen to the Amir and obey him, though your back is flogged and your property is snatched. Even then you must listen to and obey. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4762.